Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. So previous class I completed 3 problems. Now I am going to discuss 4 more problems. Those are JEE Main September 2020 questions in statistics. These are numerical type of questions. Numerical type of questions. See the first question. This is the first question in this video. If the variance of the terms in an increasing AP B1, B2, B3 is 90, then the common difference of this AP series. So we know that formula variance is equal to the observations are increasing in AP mean this is the formula n square minus 1 by 12 into d square. This is the formula. How many observations are there here? B1, B2, B3 and so on B11. So n value is 11. D value we need to find. And variance given that is 90. 90 is equal to 11 square 121 minus 1 by 12 into d square. 90 that is equal to 121 minus 1 120. 120 by 12 that is 10. 10 into d square. So 0 0 cancel. D square value is 9. D value is 3. So actually we get plus or minus 3. Why I am taken positive means here they say AP series is increasing given. So finally what is the answer here? 3. Next second question. Read the question. Consider the data on x taking values. X values given 0, 2, 4, 8 and so on to power n with frequencies given NC0, NC1, NC2 and so on respectively. So here mean of the data is 728 by 2 power n. Then n is equals to, they're asking here n value. What is the mean formula? First of all, sigma fi xi. This is group data now, divided by sigma fi. That value how much given? 728 divided by 2 power n. Now sigma fi xi. What is sigma fi xi value? See here, 0 into nc0 plus 2 into nc1 plus 4 into nc2. 4 means I am writing 2 square into nc2 and so on. The last term should be 2 power n into ncn. But in denominator sigma fi, that means sum of frequencies nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 and so on ncn, that is equal to 728 divided by 2 power n. But observe the numerator, 0 into nc0, that is 0 completed. 2 into nc1, 2 square nc2, formula is set. Generally we know the formula, that is 1 plus x whole power n expansion. What is the formula? nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus and so on ncn into x power n. Yes or no? In place of n, substitute 2. Then here we get 3 power n, that is equal to 1 plus here 2 into nc1 plus 2 square into nc2 and so on. The last term we get 2 power n into NCN. Students, are you understood? But in this expansion, we need this value. How much this? That is 3 power n minus 1. That is equal to this value. So the numerator can be substituted. 3 power n minus 1 by denominator. C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus and so on Cn. That is 2 power n, or that? 728 divided by 2 power n. 2 power n, 2 power n cancel. Then what is 3 power n? Minus 1 is there, send right hand side. 729. This is 3 power 6. By comparing both, what is n value? 6. This is also easy question, but mixed conceptual given, binomial and statistics. Okay, students, are you understood? Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. See the third question. Variance of first n natural numbers is 10 and variance of first m even natural numbers is 16. Then find m plus n. Variance of first n natural numbers, even natural numbers. Either natural numbers or even natural numbers, whatever may be, those are in AP series or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are in AP series. Then what is the common difference? Common difference is 1. First, even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, and so on. How many m even natural numbers? Those are also in AP series, but the common difference is 2. Okay. Now, variance of first n natural numbers is 10 given. So I am writing formula here. N square minus 1 by 12 into d square. D means 1 now. That value should be 10. Now, second observation, observe here. M square minus 1 by 12 into d square. D square means d is 2 square. That should be 16. Now find n value. How much we get? N square minus 1, that is equal to 120. N square 121. N, that is 11. N value is 11. Here m square minus 1. 4 4s are 60. 12 4s are 48. M square is equal to 49. Then m value is 7. But see the question, what they are asking, m plus n, that should be 7 plus 11. How much, students? 18. So the variance of the observations are in AP series. Remember it, the formula. N square minus 1 by 12 into D. If the observations are in AP series means then use this formula. Okay. So this is also easy question whenever you know this formula. Otherwise, lengthy only. Okay. So I'm going to another question. The fourth question. Here observe that these models already we are done. Mean variance of 8 numbers 3, 7, 9, 12, 13, 20, X and Y. 2 observations not given. So we need to find those observations. So first 3, 7, 9, 12, 13, 20, X and Y. But mean and variance given. What is the mean here? 10. Variance 25. Then find what? X into Y. x into y. Okay, first I am going to find x plus y by using mean. Mean means you know very well, sum of observation by total number of observation. Total how many are there? 8. Sum of these observations. Add 7, 3, 10. Okay, this is 21. This is 13, 20. These two, 33. 33 plus 31, 44. 44 plus x plus y, that is equal to 10. So what is x plus y now? 8 send right hand side, 80 minus 44. How much this is? X plus y is equal to 36. Is correct? Yeah, 36 obviously. Next, variance given. Variance means what is the formula? What is the formula? 1 by n. N means what? 8. 1 by 8 squares of this observation. 3 square 9, 7 square 49, 9 square 81, 12 square 144 plus 169 plus 400 plus x square plus y square minus mean square. Mean is 10. 10 square 100, that is equal to 25. This is 100 send right hand side and 8 also send right hand side. So right hand side we get 125 into 8. Then what about left hand side? We need to calculate 981, 90, 90. So 49, 144, 169. Next, finally 400. Add 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 10, 25, 6, 7, 8, 852. These values should be 852 plus your y square, x square plus y square. So x square plus y square is equal to 125 into 8. How much? 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 20, 1000 minus 852. 1000 minus 852, how much? X square plus y square. That should be 148. 148. But we need xy. What is x plus y whole square formula? X plus y whole square minus x square plus y square, that is equal to 2 into xy. 2 into xy. Now x plus y whole square, this is x plus y value. How much is there? 36. What is 36 whole square, students? 36 into 36. How much we get? 1296 minus 148. That is equal to 2xy. 2xy. 1296 minus 148. This is 1148 divided by 2, that is equal to xy. Finally, what is x into y value? Divide with 2. Divide with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. So final answer is 574. Okay. So this is a lengthy problem, little bit. but calculation do carefully, then only you will get. Okay, students, these are the 4 numerical value type questions. Some of the questions are easy, some of the questions are lengthy calculation or tricky, whatever may be. Okay, thank you.